Hi everybody, it's the OM Glistens, or really just Adrian right now. But everybody will be here in a little bit. We're here for your daily dose of such fun. Every day we go through Miranda's book, Miranda's Daily Dose of Such Fun, and we videotape ourselves doing one of the fun and funny assignments that she has in here. So today's assignment. I realize I miss so much of life by looking at my phone when getting from A to B. I can't remember what it was like when I was younger walking about without one, which saddens me. We are missing so much. Here's a fun way to make you more mindful of life around you. Look out for planes and birds today. When you see one, point and say, "It's a bird, it's a plane, is it..." Oh, let me try this again. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it Superman? Nope, it's just a bird, or it's just a plane. You'll have fun seeing how many people look up wondering what amazing thing you might be looking at, and you'll have to put your phone away to do it. We didn't put our phones away because, well, we recorded it. So here you go. Enjoy. Such fun. It's a bird. It's a plane.
It's a butterfly.
No, it's a butterfly. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's still a butterfly.
Go up there.
It's a bird. It's a plane.
It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly.
Oh, Nathan, is that?
It's a bird. It's a plane.
Monarch. That's
It's
the
a
other one.
butterfly. That's the viceroy.
That's the vice.
It's a viceroy butterfly. Camille standing like a statue, hoping somebody will land on her. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a butterfly.
Oh, it's the Florida malachite.
Look at that.
It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a...
Butterfly.
Well, this one likes my mask. Camille, come here. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? It's a butterfly.
You got a friend.
You got a friend in me.
Must be sweet.
Look at, he's trying to like eat my arm. He's testing it, seeing what's going on. Oh, there you go. Oh, where you go? You coming back? Oh, he came back here. I think this guy likes me. What do you think, Camille? Look at this.
We should call him Bob.
You think we should call him Bob?
Okay, Bob.
Hey, Bob.
Want to go for a ride? Come on with us.
There he is.
Come on, Bob.
Come on, Bob. Flutter on here.
No,
Flutter.
leave Bob alone. He's just chilling. Come on, Bob. You can come with us. We'll leave you here before we go. Butterfly on my shoulder.
She said you're
There he is. Camille has named this guy Bob. It's a butterfly. It's a plane. It's a butterfly.
Okay.
Hi, little guy.
He's moving. He's moving.
Stay right there. He's coming to check you out, Violet.
He's moving. He's moving.
He's coming to get her.
He touched me. He touched me.
Well, leave your hand there. He might crawl on it.
Bob. Hi, Bob.
Hi, Bob. That's Camille's hand.
I think he likes me. Oh,
He touched you.
I get.
Don't move. Don't move.
I get.
Keep it right there.
Right under him, and he was sniffing. Oh, this is so weird.
All right. Now Nathan's going to see. Say hi, Nathan.
Hello. Wait, it's touching me, I think. It is definitely touching me with its tiny little itty bitty tongue.
Can you say such fun?
Shush.